Hi guys! Mabuhay sa inyo lahat and welcome back to our channel. It's more fun in the kitchen. My name is Mami Shirley. Ngayong araw na ito, gagawa tayo ng corn and egg soup. Ito ay pangkaraniwan na sinaserve sa mga restaurant na one of their appetizers. So tara, simulan na natin. Para po sa eksaktong measurement, pakiclick lang po yung link na nasa description box. Ang mga ingredients na kakailanganin natin ay tubig, egg, cornstarch, sesame oil, oyster sauce, chicken cubes, at pepper. First, we need to beat the egg. Pagsamahin ng cornstarch at ang konting tubig. Blend the corn and water for a few seconds. Then, i-transfer ito sa pan na gagamitin natin. Then, add these ingredients. At haluin ito. Then, over high heat, bring it to boil. Kapag ito ay nagsimula ng kumulo, ilagay na natin ang water and cornstarch mixture. Para maiwasan ito manikit, i-continue sa stirring natin ito up to 5 minutes. Then turn off the heat at dahan-dahan natin ilagay ang itlog with continuous stirring. And now, it's done! Our corn and egg soup. Hi guys! Kain po tayo. Ayan. Diba? Tama-tama yung lapot niya. Yung talagang nakikita natin sa restaurant. It's either corn, egg soup, or mushroom soup. Ayan. Both are my favorites. Pero ito muna inuna ko. Next time, gawa tayo ng mushroom soup. May init pa. The best. Wow. Itong ginawa natin, no? It's equivalent to 3 cups of water. Ano siya? Good for 10 person. Sarap. Ito po is either appetizer or kahit na ano pong gusto niyo. Ayan. Kasi ito, ginawa ko kasi panahon ngayon ng corn. Ayan. At marami na rin tayo nagawang recipe na made of corn. And if you want to watch that recipe, those recipes, please click the link in the description box. Ayan po, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And bye! At kung meron naman kayong recipe request, pakitype lang po sa comment box below. You can also follow us sa Instagram, It's More Fun in the Kitchen, at sa ating Facebook page for live cooking and update. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Salamat!